Since ancient times, Koreans have only used natural, harsh-free ingredients for their skincare routines. Green tea, snail slime, bamboo extracts, propolis, and honey are just some examples of the elements they used and have passed through generations. Exfoliation is a healthy skincare practice, but Koreans have taken it to the next level. They use a soft cloth dipped in warm water to scrub their face. It is gentle on the skin and can give you clean and clear skin. All the dirt and oil get stuck on the cloth, thus giving you bright skin. Today in this video, I will share Korean secret with rice powder. You will need 1 tablespoon of rice powder, 3 tablespoons of aloe vera gel, mix it well and your Korean secret rice cream is ready. Apply this DIY on your face and leave it for night, wash it off next morning. Rice flour is high in fiber, gluten-free, and low in saturated fat, cholesterol, and sodium. It has lower nutritional value than whole grain rice or brown rice flour, but is a significant source of manganese. Unlike wheat, oil and enzymes are distributed throughout rice's bran, not germ. Aloe vera is the holy grail of skin renewal, healing, and hydration. It is best used in skincare products such as moisturizers, serums, toners, day gels, and face cleansers. Pink aloe vera in eye serums helps to reduce puffiness and small wrinkles beneath the eyes for youthful, nourished skin.